Why do all rich people drive Range Rovers? Well, are you rich and going to buy it? No. Then why are you asking? Bro, I'm just kidding. You see, under Section 179, you can write off any car that weighs over 6,000 pounds and is used for business more than 50% of the time. So the Range Rover weighs over 6,000 pounds and the rich buy it through their businesses so that they can write it off as an expense and pay less taxes? Yeah, and you don't just have to buy a Range Rover. Here's a list of some more cars that qualify for this deduction.
Yes, if you're rich, you gotta drive a Range Rover. JK. No, if you're rich, generally you're using Section 179 as business write-off. So what this is that any car that's over 6,000 pounds, you're able to write off pretty much the bulk of it. However, things to consider. Does it actually have good gas mileage? Or it's an EV? Hey, it doesn't even qualify. Do you even need the car or not? Because the biggest times that I see is that people want to buy these cars for the tax write-offs, but it's like, dude, you have a nice car ready. Just run it to the ground. Like, economically, it doesn't make a lot of sense. You still have to put the money out of your own pocket to pay for the car. Yes, you get a write-off. It's like almost like 40% off. But still, if you have a nice like 2020, I don't know, Honda Civic, it's still gonna run just fine. So don't let the tax tail wag the dog. Always see, number one, do you actually have a true use for it? Number two, yes, it's a nice little cherry on top that you can have for tax write-offs.